It goes where the roads don't, leaving no doubt about its name. Introducing the all-new Nissan Pathfinder, Canada's newest import sports wagon. With a 3-liter V6 and extra long wheelbase, it's all you want in a 4x4.
Over the last month or so, we've been checking in with the team at GGM Concepts in Adelaide and overseeing the progress of their customers Terrano. The boys have already started on the project, so I'll throw it over to Tori and he's going to give you guys a rundown on the build.
G'day, I'm Tori from GGM Concepts, and here we have a Nissan Terrano, so a 2-door Pathfinder. We're going to Raptor it 2-tone, so original blue and grey. Modifying the rear flares, because you can only buy 4-door flares, so being a 2-door, we've got to join them up, smooth them out and all that. We've got a full CAD design that we've done in-house, rear bar with swingaways, spare wheel, jack, jerry cans, fold it right out, you can put a table on it, all that sort of stuff. Normally a big window will go here and a bit of trim will go here. So what we've done is we've took a photo of it, put it in CAD, done some measurements and all that, and basically cut out this sheet of metal. We're using basically 1.4 mil, a little bit stronger. Put a bead roll in it just to give it a little bit of character, so you're just not looking at a flat piece of metal. Reinforced it, put some struts. Now he'll be able to open it, get into the back easy enough, stay crawling through the back and hit himself in the shin with the tow bar. So yeah, it should be really good. It'll be all sealed off with rubbers. It'll be nice little handles you can close up, all flush mount too. Down here we've got the flares. It was originally 2-piece. We've fiberglassed it in, we'll smooth it out, and then we'll Raptor these the actual same color as this bottom color, and then do the blue, Raptor that in blue. We're also doing scrub bars. So joining on these we built a fair while ago, probably I built them in probably 2019 for him, full custom made. So we'll do scrub bars coming from here to a rear bar that we're making, and then continue off and do the front as well. And then here we'll, he had a plastic snorkel on here, but it looked a little bit restrictive. It didn't look that nice. So we're gonna do a full 4-inch stainless lobster back. And as you can see there, it ain't gonna be small as well, and it'll go straight into a custom airbox that we'll build with the K&M filter as well. Like I said, it'll have a oil catch can as well and a few other things in the engine bay. Here we're just finishing off the dents, smoothing it out, just making it look nice and pretty before we Raptor it.
We're going to let Tori and the team get to work on the fabrication and bodywork and come back when it's in the booth and ready to paint. Now that all the hard work's finished, it's time to paint the Terrano and the Barwork. As Tori said earlier in the video, he's going to keep the factory 2-tone colours, but as the customer Luke requested, he wants it tougher and to be done in Raptor. And the customer didn't want to spend all this money on his pride and joy just to be precious with the paintwork, as he takes it off-road a lot and pinstriping's inevitable.
So now we've got the Nissan in the booth. So it's the first time using this booth, which is pretty cool. So we're about to give it a prime. So we've done all the repairs, all the modifications, the quarter cuts, everything else, the fill-in panels, everything. We used U-Pole Dolphin filler. So yeah, now we'll just prep sol it, wipe it, start doing the blue Raptor, and then we'll wait for that to cure, then unmask the bottom, mask the top, and do the silver. So we can do this 2-tone, should look really good.
Because the team did a lot of bodywork on the car, they're going to give it a prime in Raptor's anti-corrosive epoxy primer just to seal down all the hard work and give a smooth surface to overcoat. Simply mix it up at a 4:1 ratio with the hardener that's inside the box, and we're going to spray it through a gravity-fed gun. The great thing about Raptor's epoxy primer is that it contains a blend of anti-corrosive additives that inhibit rust and corrosion. Another plus is that you can apply Raptor straight over the top while it's wet. Now we're ready to Raptor. Tori mixed up a Raptor tintable kit with some blue tint that originally came with the Terrano from factory. Next up, he gave it 2 coats at about 50 centimeters from the surface for the Raptor Schultz gun. After about 60 minutes, the Raptors touched dry, and after a couple of hours, the boys are ready to demask the top half, mask up the bottom half, give it a prime, and apply the factory silver. The boys left it overnight to dry and demasked everything in the morning, ready to fit all the accessories back on the car.
So yeah, we've finally finished painting this, the two-tone. So it's the original blue that it comes out with, and the grey was mixed up really nice. We ended up using just, I'd say, under a full kit on the blue and just under a full kit for the grey. Also got a full 4-litre kit for black, and used up all that on the black because we redid the front bar and the sides and all that. But as you can see, it's all, well, about 90% put together now. So the owner's just going to come put his window in, finish off the tailgate. But everything that we've modified and made is all put on. So the scrub bars are done with the quick connects. The flares, which were modified because these were 4-door flares, we made them into 2-door flares. The side panels, they're all done, sealed now, working awesomely. So they're all lockable as well now, so when he goes out, he can lock it, not worry about anyone going inside. All the little dress trims, we've just tidied up with a bit of trim black from U-Pole, so some satin black from there. New door handles, all that. So these were originally what we made for them a few years ago, and we just added on. So we end up full Raptor coating these again with the quick connects. And yeah, and then basically continues on and color code the bonnet scoop. Everything else, repainted the whole bar in Raptor, modified that a little bit too. But it's just put together really nicely now, and the two-tone turned out awesomely. The line's nice and straight, no edge at all. So it's really nice. So here we have a full 4-inch stainless steel TIG welded snorkel, one-off, custom made for this car. The customer wanted something that looks cool and flowed. He had a plastic one on there before, and he just feels like it wasn't working good enough, so he wanted something nice and beefy. So we made a full custom airbox as well, going straight in. We did a little bit of a little bit of design. We did a beer bottle opener there, just something so no one can throw any balls down there as well, a bit of safety. So yeah, so it's all TIG weld in-house, all made in-house, and then we done a coating, a pickling coating on it, so it all cleans it up. And you saw no burn marks or anything. So that is a full in-house made airbox with a K&M filter, panel filter. So all modified and all that for the 4-inch to go straight in and then straight into the turbo. And then we just made an aftermarket 2-motor wiper bottle and a catch cam for him. So stage 2 will be to do an exhaust and do some more stuff in here and all that. So we'll see how we go with that. Better intercooler, better in stuff like that. So here we have our in-house built rear bar, spare wheel carrier, jerry can holder, step ladder, jack holder, all CAD designed in-house We cut it on our plasma cutter and put it all together and weld it up. It's pretty cool. It's really user friendly. It's all lockable as well. So it all opens up. You've got a nice step ladder to go up, which he really wanted. He was sick of jumping off the roof. Plus it's dangerous. And then he wanted the spare wheel on a bit of a lean, so a little bit like a pre-runner trophy truck. And then it's all pinned, it's all locked and pinned. So it'll actually open up, lock into there, and then you open up again, and lock again. And then yeah, two jerry can holder, one for water, one for fuel. This is a jack holder as well. So same thing, it's pinned. So now he's got full access to get into the back. He has said that he's going to take it for its paces, bring it back scratched. If he doesn't, he's not trying hard enough. Lucky we can do the color again and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, he's going to have some fun with it. That's the main thing. So if anyone out there wants any custom bar work, rock sliders, ladders, you name it, bull bars, any sort of fabrication work you need, some Raptor paints, even some advice and all that, don't hesitate. Get onto we're on Instagram, Facebook, even just give us a call. You can find us on Google Maps, GGM Concepts. If you want something cool done, we'll definitely build it for you.
Get the job done right and head to raptorcoatings.com.au for our technical and safety data sheets.